Hello again, guys. Welcome to the next video on how to make a mascot title. So as you can see, it's a mascot title. You'll just redirect it. You'll just go to another link. So I'm going to teach you how to make it. Now go to the thing you made for bots. The thing you used to make bots. Now just type client. And just follow the instructions, command, and then wait, something's not right here. Let me see. Oh, now I see. We forgot the letter Y here. Then yeah, CTX. Now embed equals Discord embed. Title is mascot. Wait, subscribe. Let's just simply type. There's too much of it. Let's just simply put these, and then it's just a normal this title, and you need something back there. Now let's just type description equals hi there, or something you want. Anything you want, for sure. And now URL. Now this is the URL which the title will give you to. So now let's type the URL out, and also the color. Discord color. Dot green, blue, or anything you want. Red. Now let's just build this. Let's just run this file for sure. But it's ready. Let's see. Title mask. Let's title mask. Hey, where is the mask go? Oh yeah, we forgot that. OHCTX.send embed. So let me add that. So if you didn't add that, it won't even work. So that's it. Let's cancel build and run it again. Okay. Okay. Now just type title mask and it'll work. So that's it. That's it, guys. So thanks for watching and see you next time.